Hey guys, Anthony here with an updated tutorial on how to use the AI face swap feature in PhotoDirector 365. In the new version of PhotoDirector 365, you'll see these options when you open the app. Now they keep changing these options, so they may look a bit different for you. Click on the Gen AI Studio option, and it'll open PhotoDirector in Gen AI Studio mode. Next, click on the Face Swap option under the section Portrait and Fashion, and it'll bring you to this page. Click on Start Now, and you'll see this pop-up showing you different types of images that are recommended and the types of images you should avoid in order to get good results. Next, click on the Import Photo button, and I'll choose from Local Drive. It'll redirect you to File Explorer. I'm using Windows 10. Next, navigate to your folder, choose your image, and then click Open. So here is the image that I'm going to be using. So I'll click on Continue. And here is the image. In this left side panel, you'll find different styles or templates that you can choose from. This first template has 4 face swap images, as you can see. And if I scroll down in the left side panel, you'll find many different male and female templates, but I'm not going to use any of these templates. So let me scroll back up, and then I'll click this area right here to import my own custom image, which I'm going to be using as my template. So I'll choose again from Local Drive, and then navigate to my folder. I'll choose this one as my template and then click Open. And as you can see, there are 2 faces to swap. So I'm going to drag my picture down below like so. And then I'll import the second image for the female, and I'll use the same process as I showed you earlier. So this is the image, and then I'll click OK. So now I have 2 images to face swap. Next, I'll click on this checkbox to agree with the terms of service and the privacy policy. And then click on this Generate button. Just bear in mind that in this case, it's going to use 3 AI credits. And it will then start generating the new image and swap my face with the template that I used for both the male and female. And as you can see, this is the result, and overall it came out pretty good. You can then download the image to your local drive. So this was the original image, and this is the one with the 2 faces swapped. You can even take this image and then turn it into a video clip using image to video, which is a feature in PhotoDirector 365. And if you'd like to learn how to do this, you can check the link at the end of this video. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.